Hi, and welcome back to the third session of 4-H Project Butterflies. Today we will be taking a close look at our caterpillars and see how well they are doing and how much they have grown. We will also be making Clippy the Caterpillar for a craft today to go along with our Project Butterflies. And we will also be doing a snack that you can also do at home called energy balls. Hi, I'm Beverly Bolenbecker with Cabarrus County 4-H.
And I'm Denise Cooper with Cabarrus County 4-H.
And welcome from Concord, North Carolina. So as you start 4-H Project Butterfly, it would be great if you could start a journal so that you will be able to write down and draw pictures of things that you do throughout our sessions on 4-H Project Butterfly.
Let's see how big these little guys are getting. Looks like this one right here is about 1.25 inches. And let's see, this one doesn't want to be measured, I don't think. Well, let's try. He looks like he's maybe 1 inch or so. So they're growing nicely.
And they have grown probably about 1/2 inch since our last session. And they are eating, as you can tell, lots of food down in the bottom. And if you notice, it looks like webbing or spider webbing in there. They always form that so that when they're out in the wild, that keeps them protected from predators.
All right, let's take a look and see how to make Clippy the Caterpillar. This is a really cute, quick little craft that you can use just things around the house. You may need some clothespins if you have them around the house. Just like that, or you can even use a popsicle stick if you happen to have some popsicle sticks. If you need to go outside and find a twig, that's okay to use too. We're going to use some pom-poms to make Clippy the Caterpillar. You could also use some cotton balls. I probably will put a little antenna on our caterpillar, so if you have some chenille sticks or even just some twigs from outside is okay to use. Whatever you can find at home to use for this is just fine. So we're going to take just a little bit of glue and put on our clothespin. Glue that right there. And that'll need just a few minutes to dry. We also need some wiggly eyes. Here's some wiggly eyes. Let's put a few drops of glue on our wiggly eyes. Clippy the Caterpillar is the cutest little thing ever. He was simple and quick to make. He needs a few minutes to dry though, but he'll be cute to put on the refrigerator if you can find a little magnet maybe and clip maybe some of your school papers to it. All right, thank you.
We are going to do an energy ball with you. It is a simple recipe that you can use at home and make yourself with family members. And our recipe, we are using 1/2 cup of almond butter. You can also use peanut butter, but if you have a nut allergy, make sure that you use a peanut butter substitute, such as almond butter. We're also using 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 1/3 cup of honey, and a cup of oats. So we will put all of this in our bowl. I already have measured out our 1/2 cup of almond butter, and then a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And then we're going to add our honey, and then our 1 cup of oats. And we are going to take a spoon and stir this all up. Once you have finished stirring, put this in the refrigerator covered for about 30 minutes, and then we will make our energy balls out of it. So our next step, after we have let it refrigerate for 30 minutes, is to take a tablespoon and form it into some balls. And this will make a great energy snack for everyone in your family. Just like our caterpillars need so much energy right now. So don't those look delicious? And we've also have one that we've made into a caterpillar. We have added some carrot straws as well and some chocolate chips for the eyes. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to you joining us again for another 4-H adventure.